Hey, guess what we're playing? Yes, and this is a one-time video. So, don't expect a let's play. No, I'm not creating a save. Continue without fucking saving. Let's see, okay, you probably know what I'm gonna say. Oh ho ho. Wow, the game doesn't allow you to put in swear words. So then we're at the Pink Palace.
Coraline's adventure began when the Jones family moved into the Pink Palace.
The pink was very pink. It was so pink, Barbie was jealous. They had a giant fucking Smurf that had a weird mustache, and his eyes were so red we all thought he was high. And then we got these two ladies, which I don't have much to say, but I wonder, what do they look like when they're young? So then they moved in, and you can see Coraline there just going, ah! And then the guy's there saying, oh, okay, that'll be $500, and, for the advertisement of FedEx, UPS, would you like apple pies with that? Wait, what? So then we see this button twirling around like my fucking disc in there. See, and it's going crazy in there. And the tremendous voice acting.
I am really busy right now. I need to finish this catalog ASAP. But you're always busy. Yes, Coraline, I am. And right now, I wish you were busy as well. Have you finished unpacking?
Okay, we're gonna skip the fourth wall breaking. And the voice acting is fucking horrible. And her jumping. She's still no fucking Mario. I mean, I've seen a fat man jump higher than that. A fucking mancubus. What, do you have a fucking 10-ton anvil strapped to your ass? I don't see one. And plus, you're fucking skinny. Look at your damn legs.
Good. Now,
Good. Alright, I'm the tutorial guy, and I know this is the PlayStation 2.
boxes is boring.
Moving boxes, I'm controlling you. So, I know, how about we go to a place? I call it hell. You just need to find something, like bleach, a rope to make a collar shape around it, and then you can wrap it around your neck, and find a way hanging from the ceiling. Or you could just turn your neck until everything goes dark. So let's see what the dad's doing with his face on the screen. You see it, it's like, oh, look at the reflection of me. I gotta type it down. Oh, I am so handsome, so schmexy. I am so sexy. Hey Dad! Coraline, I am making an article to this sexy picture of me, and I'm in love with it. Can you fuck off, please? Go find some blue objects that we didn't make out of Smurf skin.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, you fucking got one. She's got cookies by her. So, this is what you eat. Cookies. You know what? I'm about ready to snatch your fucking cookies, miss. Ah, damn it. Hang on. There's a spot where you were able to climb. Hang on. I'm fucking Spider-Man. Yeah. You know what? I am gonna go against you. And this fucking light up my head. I discriminate against light. Light should not be hanging from the ceiling and touching my, for some reason, blue hair. You know what? Fuck no. Just, And look at this dining room. There's almost nothing inside. You know what? I'm gonna fucking get this. Yeah. How do you like that, bitch? How do you like that?
Here's one.
Oh, these fucking newspapers that my parents never fucking read. Hey, yeah, you should be reading newspapers, you pricks. Now let's see. Let's get this mom. Oh no.
Here's another one.
Yeah, here's another one. Watch my dance move. Yeah. Oh man, Daft Punk would be proud. Yeah. Oh yeah. If you're wondering, I got this stack right here. Just. Yeah, I don't have a fucking tripod. I use a stack of pillows. I am poor. I am fucking sad. And I'm homeless. I'm a homeless, sexy... I'm a homeless, schmexy asshole. Although the sexy part isn't true. Damn it. So then we load, just go upstairs, and then... Oh, let's go in my fucking parents' room. Yeah, that'll teach them a lesson. Hey! Fuck you guys! And then we got the picture here. Okay, alright, okay. Oh, Pia still had trouble learning this. Yeah, you know what? I'm using my mom's makeup. Cause fuck mom, that's why. I'm using your fucking makeup, bitch. I'm gonna turn this lamp on. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna waste the power. Oh, I'm gonna play fucking soccer. That fuck! I'm gonna fucking play soccer. That's what I'm gonna do. Hang on. Yes! Fuck yes! Ha ha! Whoa! You gotta be shitting on my balls. Okay. Oh, I get it. Oh, I made an unintentional pun. Okay, seriously, no pun intended in that. Speaking of balls, my blue beach ball. I've been looking for this. You hid this from me and thought, oh, I'd never find it, but I found it right there. I'm gonna waste even more power. Fuck you guys. Where's my nightlight? Oh yeah, my nightlight. Oh, there's my little Squidward tentacles right here. Hey, Squidward. Go fuck off. Okay, what fucking else is there? Where's the fucking blue-ass boots? I won't fucking wear those boots. I will fucking murder anyone. I will waste more power if I don't find my boots. I fucking can't jump. Wait, doesn't my hair count as a blue object? Derp alert. Let's see. Let's go to the living room and oh, there's my fucking boots. There they are. The only things up there. Good job, you fucking daughter. Now let me make my article on my face. Oh yeah. Oh, that is a beautiful picture. Oh. Hey, I found the blue, you fucking shithead. You still jerking off to your picture? Oh, yes, I am. It's a beautiful picture. Wait, how'd you know? Oh, it's so beautiful. It's just you looking at the screen in blue. I know. It's so beautiful. I'm in love with it. Tell your wife I'm divorcing her. I'm gonna marry this picture. Just what the fuck is wrong with you? Oh. Nothing. Ay caramba. Watch your language. You're American, little girl, not fucking Spanish. It's not really that heavy. I mean, paper weighs like 0 pounds. All done, you fucking asshole. What do you want me to do now? Oh, go outside. And apparently, someone call a doctor. My neck's fucking extremely long.
Well, there's your answer, Coraline.
I want to go outside. No, why not? Because your mom said so. Look, I married your mom because she has a nice ass, okay? I think that's why men marry women, because they're hot. And it goes so wrong. And this is Wolfie speaking. If you're gonna want fuck a woman, I recommend you just fuck her. If you like her, just date her. Just date her. Don't marry her. If you really love her, then okay, go ahead. But don't cry to me if she becomes a bitch. Do not touch. Jesus Christ, your neck is like 10 damn inches. Dad, what's with your long neck? Oh my god, my neck's longer than my boner. Looking at this picture, and it's gone. Oh, why? Oh my god, that fucking... Jesus Christ, did your neck not break? How did it not break? Water the plants. Okay, let's water the fucking plants. Yeah, cause I really love you guys. Oh, god damn it, I blocked my own self. And the watering can's empty. Oh, no fucking duh. The 5-second padding just so that I can fill the damn water. The damn water can with fucking water with my psychic powers, apparently. I'm fucking psychic. Hey, Mom, I'm psychic. Give your daughter kudos. I'm psychic. I'm awesome. Fuck you. You guys aren't like me. I should be in the the Charles Xavier's Academy. See, look, more power. Oh, I can instantly grow plants with just that. Yeah. Oh, I watered the plant. Oh, yeah. Oh. Go meet my neighbors. Oh yeah, I'm gonna meet the tall ass Smurf man and the old ladies that were probably hot when they were slim. Okay, alright, Turtle, this was what I was talking. Hang on. Okay. Yeah, I should have mentioned this in my old review. If there's one good thing about this, it's the music. I think I did mention it. I mean, the music when you're outside, it's beautiful. I love the music. And I kind of wish this was kind of like a game like Jak and Daxter. Alright, let's meet the fucking Smurf man. You gotta hear the music. Jeez. I mean, this sounds like something from Coraline. I mean, it sounds elegant but sad.
Hello, Coraline.
Hello there!
I am the German man. I'm German. I am fucking German.
That you sound more Russian.
No, I'm fucking German.
Whoa! A
Slingshot! Fuck you. Ring a ding.
Don't shoot Caroline!
Nice shot! Oh man, you're a fucking good one. Maybe you could get a nice mustache like me. What the fuck? No. Okay, anytime now. I don't know why it needs to take so long for you to get down the damn stairs. Oh no, this music sounds depressing, which is why I like it. Oh no, I think I'd probably play this game just to walk around in the world. I mean, I really wish it wasn't a mess of easy, stupid mini games, and more like something of Jack and Daxter.
Okay, let's see. According to Mr. Fitz, the apples on the tree will change color.
Yeah, the apples on the trees. Fuck. Ah. Oh, shit balls. Oh my god, this feel. Ah, damn it. Fuck. Yo, fuck these apples. Hashtag fuck these apples. Oh, this feels. Oh, damn it. This aiming's so awkward. Oh, damn. This feels awkward just trying to be perfect. I'm gonna fail. Look at this. Everyone discriminate apples with me. We're discriminating against apples now. I'm against apples. Fuck you, apples. Fuck you being green and then red, then blue. And then you get this sad music like, oh, you fucking fair. Okay, we're gonna get these apples, and then I'm gonna discriminate against them. Make America great again. Good lord, I never had this much trouble with the crosshairs. Oh my god, you gotta be fucking perfect. Jesus, man. I mean, your dot is so small, and you got dancing is forbidden. Oh my fucking god. You know, what if it said, you gotta be shitting on my balls? And then instead of just, it should be, or just me yelling, fuck! I was fucking shooting that thing. Damn it, fuck! Ah, shit balls. No, Gabe, I'll fuck you in the vagina. Oh no, be stopped by these apples. Discriminate against apples! 9 apples. I'm discriminating against apples, everyone. These apples are awful. You apples are the worst. We're discriminating against apples, everyone. We're discriminating against apples. Motherfucker, come on! Biggie Smalls, help me! No, Biggie! Biggie! Biggie, help me! Biggie! No, you gotta be shitting on my balls. No, I never failed this. So okay, you gotta be shitting on my balls. I don't have enough buttons. Okay, alright. God damn it! I keep confusing the R1 with circle. Been playing too much Ratchet & Clank Crack in Time. Fuck these apples. You know, why can't I use the leftovers? If I fail, do the apples just go rotten and say fuck you? Or fuck you too, apples. I'm discriminating against apples now. And hopefully Biggie Smalls will help me. Fuck yes, we got apples! Finally! Discriminating against apples 2016. We'll face for president 2016. We're discriminating against apples now. Apples are the equivalent of Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Apple. Osama bin Dead. Keemstar. Okay, I need to listen to music. It's just, the music is just right. It is just that right. Okay, alright, let's visit the old ladies. Open up, motherfuckers! I'm coming to visit! I'm gonna crash in your joint! Where's the weed? I didn't bring this bag for fucking nothing. I came here to smoke weed. Oh yeah, I'm a fucking graffiti artist. See, you got Bigfoot coming after you now. Ah, sexy ladies, I see. Let's see. Up. What's going on? Oh.
Much better.
Oh yeah, I'm a graffiti artist. Cause fuck you, ladies. Oh, God. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm such an awful person. Oh yeah, and that fucking robotic voice that one guy said was poorly edited. Doesn't sound poorly edited. It sounds like, oh my god, it's May from N and Eddie. Oh my god, it's oh fuck, oh god damn it, fuck, what was his name? Hey there. Why are you hiding behind the chair? What the fuck are you doing hiding behind the chair? Your breasts are fucking pushing the chair back. Oh, I just open and close it. Yeah. Hey, fuck you, buddies. Yeah, oh. Afro and Goldilocks and that. Yeah, fucking fro, yo. Got a fro. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm good at these. You win! Fucking...
Amazing and great Coraline.
You won, you fucking sad fat person. How'd you know I was a sad fat person? Yeah, let's just fucking match these. Yeah, nice job. That was so hard. That was so damn hard. Dear Lord, I am. Oh my god.
Thank you.
It was harder than it looked, people. It was so hard. I nearly took a shit on my balls.
New match.
Okay.
7 heavens, go fish.
Okay, alright.
This one.
Kabooyah! Alright.
New match. 7 heavens, go fish.
I don't have a 7 heaven, you dumb bitch. Why'd you try that again?
New match.
Okay, alright. Oh my god.
My kingdom for an 8.
Oh, okay, alright, okay.
Are there any 5? Go fish. Here's a pair.
Oh, you lucky bitch.
New match.
Ah, damn it.
Another pair.
Oh, yeah.
9.
Oh, damn it.
I know you have a 10.
Go fish. Here's a pair.
Oh, you've got me shitting on my balls.
This one.
Okay, alright.
New match. Are there any 5? Go.
I don't have any 5s. Okay, do you have a 6?
Match.
You gotta be. Yeah.
I bet you have 3 in there. Go fish.
Okay, alright. Do you have 8s? No.
Another pair.
Oh, yeah.
Are there any 5?
The amount of times he said there's 5. Oh.
This one.
Yeah.
New match. I bet you have 3 in there. This one.
Yeah.
Win.
Woo! Ooh. Ah! Harambe. Hashtag Harambe.
That was fun, Caroline.
Yeah, you know. We shouldn't shot.
Have you heard about the old well close by?
No, I have not. I just moved in. And there's no one here. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I mean, there's this brown house over there that I think I saw has a pink dog. But, other than that, no one have told me that. I mean, the blue Smurf guy at the attic didn't tell me. And I think he's high.
Oh, I am German. Oh.
Alright. Now, let's go to the well. Oh, no, wait. This is the wrong way. We're going to the barn. Oh, no, man. I mean, this should have been kind of... I don't know why. I guess they didn't know what they were doing. I mean, it's why you... Oh, yeah, you gotta input this code. Okay, it's not really that hard. Just... You are the best player of all time. You, on your fucking computer, and at your computer, I mean, eating your Doritos with the, you fat. Yeah, sorry, game announcer. You're the dumbass here. You can't speak English for shit. Hola, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasó? What? Okay, now you're speaking Spanish. Oh, look at these birds. Oh, I gotta take a selfie with them. with the camera. I mean, people use cameras that insert the pictures out right after you take them, right? Oh, loading screen. We're going to nowhere.
In order to find the mysterious well in the orchard.
Wait,
Coraline
where the
figured
fuck did the
she
cat
would
come
need a
from?
dowsing rod.
He just appeared like, hey, I'm here because I'm supposed to.
It wasn't long after that she made the acquaintance of Wybie Lovat.
What be?
Although Coraline
Yeah, he looked like Ghost Rider. Then he showed the well. Yeah, this hole has some crazy shit inside. Alright, I'm gonna run off being a Ghost Rider. Whoa! And then he lit himself on fire. Ah! Oh god, why? Why did I do this?
Hey, Mom, Coraline, I am really, really busy right now.
You said that earlier.
It's time for you to go to bed. Go up there now.
Go bad. It's like but the sun is out. It's like 3 in the noon. You gotta be shitting on my balls, lady. I'm fine. You know what? I'm just gonna go in my raincoat cause I'm fucking awesome like that. That's why. Let's go to the shop. I don't have enough buttons to get the pajamas. So, yeah, we're... Yeah, someone gave this to me. No, we shouldn't interact with Bentley Shell. No, wait, it's Turtle Guy. Hey, Turtle! Hey, my Fritas! What are you doing in here? Oh, no, I mean, I was hiding from, some hunters. Oh, really, Turtle? Yeah, I'm just, gonna chill out here. Alright, now let's just get in this outfit. Yeah, I remember her wearing this in the movie when she went to sleep. Yeah, you remember, right, guys? You remember, right? And then there's these button-eyed guys. Yeah, spoiler, she go into the other world with button eyes. Whoa! So then after we see, Dad and her hot other mom.
Hey, isn't that Mr. Babinski's mouse?
You never seen his mice. Oh wait, oh yeah. I gotta waste power. Need to waste power. Open up, parent! Open the fuck up. Yeah, they're probably resting their fucking ass off. Yeah, I had my 6 hours of sleep. What the? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Get over here!
Don't you dare run.
Get the fuck over here. Get over here! Oh, you gotta be shitting on my balls. He just keeps running away. Hang on. Gotta waste power! Remember, waste power. Alright, okay. No, you get your fucking micey ass over here. Get your fucking mouse ass over here! Hello, son of a bitch. What? What the fuck is up with your eyes? The thing weirder than the door is your eyes. Fucking go see the animators and get your claymation eyes fixed. For fuck's sake.
Where does this go to?
And the mouse is still squeaking. Squeak, 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 squeak. Shut the fuck up, mouse. You know what? You're off the hook. What?
Coraline walked into the kitchen. She
Yep.
thought she saw her mother cooking in the middle of the night.
Yeah, it's 12 in the
Coraline
morning.
soon discovered
Wait,
this wasn't her
what?
mother at all.
Yeah, the face you make when you see, your mother with button
Asked
eyes.
Coraline if she'd like them. She introduced
And the
herself as
face you
Coraline's
make when you
mother.
realize that this
And
game
opened the oven door.
shouldn't exist.
Coraline was overwhelmed with the aroma. The
Overwhelmed!
other mother asked her to help prepare the supper.
The face you make when it smells like shit. Or in other words, when I fart. The other world, yeah, no fucking duh. Well, I mean, thanks for fucking telling me rather than feel like I'm in the movie thinking, wait, isn't this the same world? Hey, what is...
Nice and toasty.
So then, welcome to paradise. I got 2 tickets to paradise. So pack your bags and we leave tonight. Oh, whoa. Who sung it worse? Me or the original singer in Geico commercial? I know you're gonna say me, but whatever.
Coraline, dear, come and help me make some yummy pancakes.
Oh my god, what the fuck is up with you, lady? The PlayStation 2 mouth just don't look right. No right. No homo. No right. No. Well, that sounds wrong. Oh shit. Time limit. What the fuck is in the present?
Got it.
Okay, alright. I got it. Alright, come on. Alright, okay, alright. If I fail this one, I'm discriminating against food appliances. Alright, got the bowl. Now we need to push this. Push! The episode of SpongeBob with the Alaskan bullworm. Push! Oh fuck, why did I grab it? Okay, get the fucking plate! Get it! Yes! Oh yes! Good fucking job, you got the plate. Now go fuck off. I'm gonna make out with the plate. I want to make out with the plate. Plates are plates, that's why. Hello.
Good
Jeez.
job, my dearest. Now help me beat the eggs. Make sure you
Yeah, beat the eggs.
time is running out.
Timer is running out. You're on a time limit because fucking Father Time isn't patient.
Oh, you have to speed it up, darling.
Fucking speed it up.
Faster, Coraline, faster.
Yeah, fucking faster. Gotta go fast. Oh, that is fucking weird. What the? And that's supposed to make me go, yeah, eggs. With the arm? That's just yeah, she's evil.
You did great, sweetheart. Now go tell your other father that supper's almost ready. Go on. He's in
Yeah,
his
go tell your fucking...
Sure.
Yeah, alright, let's go see the other fucking dad, cause this PlayStation 2 model gone wrong bitch wants us to. Jesus, your model just doesn't look right. Isn't this the weirdest thing you've seen? Coraline looking at her mother's ass. Okay, that's just... I crossed the fucking line there. Okay, alright. Oh, hey there! Oh, hey! I'm not using those automatic hand things like in the movie. I'm not wearing glasses. What? But what about the accuracy? Who gives a shit? No one's just gonna buy this game because, you know, the movie license games aren't really that good. Okay, I'm just gonna play it. The only good movie license game out there is probably the Sam Raimi Spider-Man. And the Amazing Spider-Man 1. Just the first one. Yeah, and how do they get that awesome making a song for Coraline in this? They don't. Ah, fuck. Lost the mojo. Oh no, baby! Wow, ever since my review... oh shit, you need to use the D-pad! I tried using the left analog stick, but that doesn't work, people. Nope. Damn it. Okay. Jeez, this piano is just... generic. Holy campus Christmas. Oh my fucking fucky. You gotta be shitting on my balls. I can't get past this. I mean, this wasn't really hard when I was young. But now it's just impossible. You know, I'm discriminating against pianos. Error reading disk. Hallelujah. Well, we can't play this game anymore, so, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, I mean, jeez, I mean, yeah, guys. Come on, fuck. Hang on. I'm gonna play a much better game. Yeah, error reading disk. You know, I might send this game to Game Grumps. If they hopefully have a PS2. Okay, they probably do. They played Katamari. You know what? Yeah, I'm playing Sonic 3. This game is just... Yeah, don't play this shit. Play Sly 3. This game is the shit. It's the bomb. Or play Jack and Daxter and the sequel. I recommend Jack 2 and 3. Or God damn it. Fuck. Oh shit. Really hard getting these games out of this shelf. Or the game I would soon rather be playing 5 seconds after I played Coraline, Ratchet and Clank. Pretty much, yeah, just, you know, I'm gonna play a little bit. I'm gonna play this game for a bit, doo-doo! So then, I don't think it worked, but I don't give a shit about Coraline.
Cops around here really like to make an impression.
I'm afraid it's a losing battle. Don Octavio runs the show in this neighborhood. It's his security forces patrolling the streets, not the cops.
Noted. Huh. Looks like I found my way inside.
Well, that dome is covered in glazed tile. There's no way to climb up there.
Oh, come on, pal.
There's always a way. You see here? Oh, no, I don't know what you're talking about. This fucking path! No, How many games? What? Okay, let's see.
Nice climbing, partner. I've got the blueprints to the vent system in front of me. I should be able to guide you to the jail cell.
Yeah, let's go to a jail cell. And then Sly just ends up in the women's restroom. Sly, this... finally, I'm in the restroom.
Is that you?
Oh, I don't see any urinals. Shit, I think I'm in the women's. Wah! Oh, hey, it's Iguana Guy.
You've got some fuzzy dice to come around here.
Dimitri, long time no punch. See, you're still in jail.
And I see you still in a cracker box.
Let's get past the name.
And you still...
business.
Looking for
A main man Murray, eh? Sorry, but I'd rather see you busted big time! God! Policia!
Wait.
Wait, hey, I can have you laid if you don't tell the cops. I can get a girl, and you can finally get laid. And I got some weed right here. Come on, man. Come on.
Rat me out to those cops and I'll get thrown in there with you. It'll be a heck of a cage match, and we both know who will win. Or did you forget Paris?
worth it to see your smug face behind the bars.
Okay, that's weird. You just rather see me... You would have me thrown in jail, and I would beat the shit out of you, and you would be okay with it. Okay?
If those cops get their mitts on me, who's gonna break you out of jail?
You might get this cell door open, but the cops would throw it down and bust me on the way out. And then I'll get the double sentence. Leave.
Okay. You know, I don't get it, that it's like just... And Dimitri's like, yeah, I know! Okay, alright, I got a plan. What's your plan? Can you shut the fuck up? What?
How about I get the cops' attention, then run for it? Once they're all outside shooting at me, you can slip out no problem.
No, that's a plan I can get behind. Dimitri is free, and Cooper is cooked.
Key for the cell is in head cop lady's office.
Okay, great. This other lock won't be a problem. I should be able to crack it by hand.
Get me out of here, and I'll find Murray. No sweat. Just keep on the down low and out of sight near them coppers, bro.
They're a bad bunch of bunnies. Noted. Your attention, please. When one of them's just looking at porn on his phone, just... yeah.
Devastating on the local wildlife and tourist trade. Our sources believe that this man...
Hey, baby!
Should have figured you'd show up. Grab him, boys.
You can't be discovered by guards. Why not? That was my lady right there. that was just, oh man. Hey, baby! Woo! Oh, just you, Cooper.
Seriously feeling retarded for the last month. No one is sure of the cause, but the effects have been devastating on the local wildlife and tourist trade.
Hey, baby, you got a nice ass.
Sly Cooper. Should have figured you'd show up. Grab him, boys.
Okay, I'll stop.
For your patience, but we're now ready for the presentation. As we all know, the canals of Venice have been mysteriously filling with tar for the last month. No one is wildlife and tourist trade. Our sources believe that this man was assassinated is...
Yeah! What the? I mean,
Head back to Dimitri's cell and free him. If he's true to his word, we'll be talking to Murray in no time.
and also, Sly, where the fuck are your pants?
Get back to business. Now, where was I?
Yo, I can't Carmelita not wear pants. What, Sly? Nothing.
It'll calm down in a few minutes.
Better make sure you're under a desk when the lights come back on.
Yeah, did you know that Sly was once arrested for public nudity? Yep, that much money. Free. I can see! I love what these guards say. You look better in the dark, Petrol. On, off. I love the one where he says, you look better in the dark, Petrol. Face it, you're an ugly, ugly man.
Let there be light. This is sucking.
This is sucking.
You look a lot better in the dark, Petro. Really, you are an ugly, ugly man.
I fucking love that one.
Hands to yourself, Leon.
Keep your hands to yourself, Leon.
I can see, I can see.
Can you really crack this coconut?
Sure, just takes a light touch.
Good. Let's see some shine, bro. I swear. Spring me, and I'll...
Okay, it'll get you that lady that
Crack, but I've seen you with harder locks.
what the? It was green.
Rotate the left analog stick until you feel a vibration. Stop, then go in the other direction. Again, feeling for the vibration. Then
I don't feel the
reverse direction
vibrations.
again, and stop when you get the third vibration. Once the green light goes on, let off the stick and...
Yeah. Oh, the green light didn't go off, but okay. Hey, Dimitri, you're free. I'm gonna get you the girlfriend.
Distract the cops so you can make your escape.
Sorry. Don't worry, no mind.
You got a nice tail, man.
Password for Murray to find you. Meet at Rialto Bridge. Big Italian landmark.
Okay, guess it's showtime.
Hey there, motherfuckers!
Hello, assorted meatheads. And lady. Anyone feel like some exercise?
Cooper! Grab him, man!
And I'm out.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Suddenly, we just went from Coraline to Sly Cooper. Just what are you talking about, Sly Cooper? I never played Sly Cooper. I mean Coraline. It's like, what about Coraline? Coraline? I don't know. What are you talking about?
They're showing up in my squad room.
I was concerned we were growing apart.
Then let's spend some quality time together in my interrogation cell.
So forward.
What happened to the demure girl I used to know? She grew up and stopped taking her.
Guys like you.
Guys like me, like what? Just come on, man. You're really high. I just want to have sex with you. Yeah, I'm a Venice guard. I'm a Venice guard. Actually, no, I'm Sly Cooper. I'm a Venice guard now. You can't hurt me. I'm just an innocent guard. Why are you shooting at me? I have a beak.
My target.
Hey, look at that fountain. Why do you keep shooting me? I thought you loved me. How could this happen to me? Jeez, now this is what I call a shocking relationship. Oh shit. Ah man, our relationship. Well, I mean, I love her, she hates me. We get into a lot of fights. Hey, why don't you put the shock pistol down and let us talk a little? I mean, come on, you don't have to be a, police woman to love me. Oh, hey, Murray.
Greetings, old Inspector Fox. Man, you're in
You fucking missed, and we're right here, just staying still. Okay, I feel like Coraline wouldn't do something like that. She would say, "Fuck you, Cooper! Curse you! I'll get you next time, Cooper! Next time!" Wait, where'd this cat come from? Sorry, that is mine. And Dr. Claw comes out.
Listen, Murray, we need you back on the team. That thing with Bentley, it wasn't your fault. He doesn't blame you for the wheelchair.
Sorry, Sly. I walk a different path. My guru, in his wisdom, told me to lose myself and not return until the black water ran pure. So here I stay.
You sure he didn't tell you to get lost and not come back until you cleaned out the water filter?
Come on, I'm on a real spirit quest.
Sorry.
No.
Tell me,
Okay.
I've missed you, pal.
Well,
It's a long and awesome story.
you got any gum?
I'm sorry. You know, now that I think of it, I wish I stole some cake from Carmelita. If you know what I mean. Whoa! Oh, Jesus Christ, you're ripping off of my jokes. What do you mean? Peach isn't gonna share the cake with me. And why does she have cake in her pants? No, Mario, you fucking... Ugh. Cake is another term for vagina. So, yeah, that's that for me playing Coraline, and then suddenly just Sly 3. Yeah, I'm just gonna run around in here. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Rah! Oh! Whoa, booyah. Yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Whoa! And we see the wild side Cooper. I'm out. Booyah!